Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Ango Video, and today I got a new video for the web development series, and we're gonna be talking about a new idea over here. If you ever used Node or Yarn, you're probably gonna understand what I'm talking about. So I have something that is called Composer. And what is Composer? If we go into the getting started, it's just a tool for dependency management in PHP or package management. Basically, it has library that has a lot of packages that you can basically use. So let's say you want the npm Stripe API package, for example. You want to use Stripe in your website and you want to use PHP, you don't want to use JavaScript, for example. So you got an option for that. You got an option that is called Composer. So if we go over here, this is basically just the same as Node Package Manager, but the only difference is you're just using Composer for PHP. You're not using no JavaScript, you're not using anything else but just Composer. So to get started with Composer, all you actually really need to do is just go to the getcomposer.org over here, just go to downloads, and then just basically go to the Composer setup over here, .exe, just download it, and then start the installation process. It's not going to take you a lot of time. It is just very simple. All you're going to do is just press next, and that's pretty much it. I already have that installed, so it's going to tell me that it's already installed, or actually it is. So I just installed that again. That is fine. So like I say, you want to use the Stripe one. So instead of using the node npm install save Stripe over here, you could just use the PHP one for the Composer. So let's say I'm going to add it to this website over here. By the way, this website that I have, it's a pure PHP website. It's just something that I'm working on, and basically this has Node and Composer installed. So I have packages installed with Node and Composer together in the same project. So you could even say that, you can even see that I have a composer.json and I have a composer.lock, and I even have the npm packages over here. So it's fine, you can even run them together. It's actually pretty cool. So you could just do composer requires Stripe and then the Stripe PHP package. Again, you could also even go to over here the Composer website and just go into browse packages. You could search Stripe here, for example, and here it is. This is the Stripe PHP library. So that's something, the concept is very simple. You could basically use Stripe right now. Right now we could basically use Stripe, and if I go into my composer.json, you're gonna find out that here it is. Here's the new package, Stripe/Stripe PHP version 9.6. So basically this was the Composer. And what was the Composer? So again, to recap, it's just a dependency manager or a package library for PHP. Alright, so guys, I'm not gonna waste any more of your time. If you like the video, comment and like, subscribe. This was Ango Edu, and peace.